Hi everyone, I'm Kylie and I'm the social media specialist with Wye Management. Many sales consultants struggle with increasing the number of friends following their Facebook page. It can be tough, right? So I want to share a few success tips with you. Let's start with an easy one. Go to your friends' Facebook pages and click on the Friends tab just below the profile picture. Scroll down and see who is not yet your friend and invite them. Once they become your friend, invite their friends. Do this every day and imagine how big your friends list will become. Another really easy thing to do is take advantage of the People You May Know feature and invite as many people as you can each day. Look at each of the profiles before you invite them. You may want to make sure the contacts will benefit you. Groups are another excellent way to increase your network. To discover new groups that you might be interested in, go to your newsfeed and click Groups on the left menu bar, and then click Discover at the top. Scroll down to search suggested local friends or other groups that you might be interested in. Ask to join. You might join a group that will be a target audience for you, like pickup trucks, 4x4s, SUVs, maybe it's a women's group or a family group. You get the idea. Then, once you're approved for the group, try to answer automotive-related questions and post content that will position you as an authority within the group. You can also invite other members of the group to connect with you as friends. Once they accept, send them a message through Messenger and explain your expertise, what you do, and how you can assist them. If they reply, they will be added to your Messenger list, and that means they'll be one of your contacts. You can also increase the number of likes, comments, and shares on your posts by offering cool content. But remember, if you're being annoying with your posts by constantly pushing products and advertisements, many people will unfollow you. Try a simple posting strategy like this to start. Motivational Mondays, Terrible Tuesdays, Wonders of the World Wednesdays, Thoughtful Thursdays, and Funny Fridays. So there you go. Try these simple ideas and watch your followers grow. To learn more, register for How to Sell Cars Using Social Media Workshop. Check out the link below for more info or visit wyemanagement.com. I'm Kylie Schultes. Thanks for watching.